How do I manage capacity planning on my projects? I have often said capacity planning is like a 3D or maybe even a 4D Tetris. And what I mean by that is that it is so hard to get capacity planning right. In a perfect world, everyone's available to start the project on the same day. There's no weather delays. There's no travel delays. There's no political news that changes our timelines. There's nobody sick. Everything is exactly as it ought to be. And everything takes off and the hours are used exactly when we thought the hours are going to be used. And we all know that never happens. I've seen projects be delayed by days, weeks, months for things that no one would ever predict. But ultimately that kind of moves all the timelines, right? It moves that if you've got a dependency that service A needs to be done before service B, but service A gets pushed back a month, a week, whatever, it changes the whole trajectory of the capacity planning for who's available when to get things done. What I would say is, I should know who it is. The old adage of like, plans are absolutely crucial, but in the act of war, they get thrown out. I don't look that up. Maybe we can put that on the screen as to actually what that quote is. But effectively what that means is like, plan your capacity out to the best of your knowledge. We know that we have a project starting roughly this time. This is the kickoff. This is the ground break. This is when we're going to get going. Ultimately, the timeline is a work in progress, right? There's a little bit of fluidity there. There's a little bit of agility, as we like to use it in the software world. Be agile. Be ready to change those timelines, to work around the delays, the hiccups, and be okay with that. But I would say, for the most part, look at taking templates of previous projects that you've worked on before, apply that to your future projects, and then be ready to evolve on the fly.